everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up your own Squarespace website. So let's get right into it. Now, in this tutorial, I will be solely focusing on how you can make a website and how you can make a free trial website, which you don't need to pay for. Then from there on forward, you can choose if you want a subscription or not, but I'll be focusing on the free version and explaining what it entails. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing, as you can see, I'm already on a website. So I'm just going to click here on my profile icon to go to the dashboard. Then I'm going to click on create a website. If you create a new account on Squarespace, then you'll have the option to immediately create a new account. Now, as you can see, these are some templates which I will choose from. Sometimes it'll give you the option to build it with AI. As you can see, it's present in the top right for me, and you might be able to go through a checklist, fill out some information to give Squarespace an idea what your site is going to be like. I'll just select this template right here, select the colors, click start with this design, and then it's immediately going to boot you into the editor. Here you can make any changes you want. They are numerous, so I won't be covering all of them. This is pretty much the start of where you can start building your site, and then later you can subscribe to Squarespace, get a domain, and actually make your site public. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.